Okay, in the last lecture we also draw the single line diagram from the above figure. Okay, the single line diagram shows that this is the 3 meter distance, and um, here 1.5 meter from the one wall the main switch is placed, and there are 4 load L1, L2, L3, L4 lamp load and 1 fan load. Okay, this is a single line diagram and all distance are mentioned, and they say that we can take a necessary assumption. Okay, necessary assumption we can take. Okay, so from the single line diagram we see that we also calculate the load. Okay, so the load is 5 load, 4 lamp load plus 1 fan load. Okay, if 4 lamp is 60 watt plus 1 fan is 100 watt, then this is the 240 watt plus 100 watt. Okay, 340 watt total load on the figure. Okay, 231. Then what is the load current? First of all we calculate the length of wire, the size of wire. Okay, so we need a calculation of current, total load current. Okay, then we can find the size of the wire, diameter of the wire. Okay, so we know that what this is the power is equal to V into I. Then what is the power? 340 watt is equal to voltage is, suppose take 240 is the supply voltage into I, then I is 340 by 240, that's mean it is 1.41 ampere, and we take 125% of load current. We take 125% of load current means 146 into 1.25. Okay, this is how much? 1.77 ampere. Okay, this is the rating of wire, 1.66 ampere. That's mean we need a 240 volt grade, 244 grade 1.5 square millimeter aluminum conductor needed. Okay, 244 volt 1.5 square millimeter aluminum conductor needed. Okay, we also find the thickness of the wire needed in wiring. Then we draw a sideline view of a wall or of a room. This is the top view, and we also a side view. We also draw a side view. Then we can find easily the calculation of length of wire and length of wiring PVC or wiring conduit pipe. Okay, suppose this is the main switch, and this is the switchboard, this is the fan, this is the light. Okay, we take main switch is above floor is 1.5 meter. That's mean it is height from floor is 1.5 meter, and the lamp is hanging from floor is below 1 meter. Okay, that's mean height of the lamp and height of the fan is that 2.5 meter. Okay, switchboard also be above from the floor is 1.5 meter. Okay, let's draw its side view. Suppose this is the ceiling and its height is how much? Take a 3.5 meter. Okay, height, and from the floor to switchboard height is 1.5 meter, and main switch to switchboard is floor to main switch is 1.5 meter, and the junction box and the junction box height is 2.5 meter. Okay, and here also the lamp is hanging 2.5 meter above, the lamp also be hanging, and the fan is hanging below to ceiling is 0.5 meter. Okay, and junction box to ceiling is 0.5 plus 0.5 1 meter. Okay, and junction box is how much? 2.5 meter, total is 3.5 meter, then it is 1 meter. Okay, this is the side view. Okay, so we can easily calculate the length of wire. How to calculate the length of wire? Suppose one example, this is the switchboard, main switch, then how much? One from the 1.5 meter, suppose from here this is the 1.5 meter to the junction box 2.5 meter, then it's horizontally run one wall, suppose horizontally run this wall, then horizontally run this one, then vertical run, and then horizontal run to lamp. This type of example we also done in our class. Okay, so this is the proper way. First of all, you draw a side view from the single line diagram, then calculate the length of wire. We assume that the height of the room is 3.5 meter, total height of the room is 3.5 meter, and height of the switchboard and main switch is 1.5 meter. This is the switchboard, this is the main switch, total is 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter. Height of the wiring, that's mean from in the above line the wiring also vertically run, that's mean the height of the wiring 1.53 meter. Okay, and height of the lamp and fan is 2.5 meter from the floor, that's mean this lamp is height is 2.5 meter because is hanging from ceiling. Okay, 2.5 meter. Okay, that we also see the how many cable are used for each load. Okay, first of all, main switch junction box, how many cables are used? There are only two cable, one is phase, one is neutral. Okay, junction box to fan, how many wire are used? There are only two cables. Okay, one neutral, one phase. You can also use one earthing. Okay, lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3, lamp 4 total are used two cable per load. Okay, junction box to switch box, there are 6 cable used because of 1 2 3 4 4 load, 4 switch purpose 4 cable. Okay, 4 switch purpose 4 cable, that's mean, and one is neutral because of if we use 5 pin socket, then one neutral one phase. Okay, one neutral one phase and one earthing, total 6 cable, 4 phase, 4 switch, one for this purpose 5, and one neutral. Okay, there are 6 cable used. I will provide you this picture, then you find the length of the wire. Okay, tomorrow you find the length of the horizontal length of the cable from this layout plan and length of the PVC casing. Okay, next I will discuss in video. Also calculate you the length of cable in vertical run. Okay, vertical run and horizontal run from this diagram. Okay.